Cases of failure application high score students who didn't go through guaranteed admission agency. Now, first example, Jian Li, Asian American, and graduated from Leavington High School, New Jersey. SAT full score 1,600. One of the only 238 students in the country to achieve a perfect score in that year, 2006. But Harvard, Stanford, MIT, Pennsylvania, Princeton turned him down. The second example, now Li Lu, daughter of Yung Lu, Asian American, SAT and 3 SAT2 got perfect scores, but all prestige universities rejected her. The third example, Stanley Park, Korean American, GPA 3.2, SAT 1,500, poverty students. His mother got breast cancer. He earned money while studying. All the money he earned was donated to his family. UCLA, University of California at Los Angeles rejected his application. The fourth example, Henry Park, Korean American, Groton School student, a super competitive private school in Groton, Massachusetts. He got a perfect 800 on the math SAT for a combined score 1,560 out of 1,600. On the SAT2 math subject test, he scores another perfect 800. SAT2 Latin 760, physics 740. He can play violin and competed on a cross-country team, and a respected math journal published a paper he co-authored with 2 classmates, middle-class family background, but Harvard, Columbia, Yale, Stanford, MIT all rejected his application. Other cases of failure application, even if go through a guaranteed admission agency, but they use the fake application process, the forced strategy, the forced method also caused a failure. The first example, Felicity Huffman, a famous American actress, helped her doctor to apply for the top 30 universities in the U.S. She cost $270,000, but her agency used fake application material, a fake athlete. In the end, her doctor was dismissed. The second example, Zhao Suyu, a Chinese student, and she cost $6.5 million to apply for a Stanford undergraduate through a fake material, and she was expelled in the end. Successful cases, donor students. First example, Cherish Mansion and Sabina Mansion, Harvard students. His father is a Harvard alumnus, COUR member, Committee on University Resource, and a senior director at Goldman Sachs. Their mother, Roni Mansion, Harvard alumna, also a COUR member. Former deputy mayor of New York City, cost $25 million. And second example, the George Walsh Bush was born in Connecticut on July 6, 1946. He's the 43rd president of the United States. He graduated from Harvard University. His grandfather was a very wealthy Wall Street banker and a former Republican senator, cost $15 million. And third example, Ivanka Trump, the eldest daughter of former U.S. President Donald Trump. Ivanka Trump is married to Jared Kushner, a Harvard graduate and the son of a prominent New Jersey real estate developer. Jared's brother, Joshua Kushner, is also a Harvard graduate, cost $25 million. The fourth example, a Chinese real estate monopoly, Pan Shiyi. His son, Pan Rui, was admitted to Harvard and cost $15 million. Pan Rui's wife, also a Harvard undergraduate, whose family is worth $2 billion. Based on the student group composition, enrollment philosophy, enrollment logic, enrollment procedures, the failure and successful cases of the world's top universities, we can conclude guaranteed admission is true, is no doubt. If a parent directly go to admission office to bribe, he or she will be looked down upon. So through a trusted agency to discuss will have a better luck. Some agencies have a good connection with the admission officer or faculty deans, well-known professors. They have already set up a good relationship through cooperation. But fake agency, bad business, bad companies are mixed within the guaranteed admission field. There are hundreds of times more fake companies than real ones. Next lecture, we will discuss how to identify which agencies are real and which agencies are just fake.